Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to draw a dragon. I start off with a circle for the head and a prominent snout. I've added the horns on the back of the head. I start with a rough outline of the legs so I have a framework I can work from, and we'll add in details later. I draw two reference lines for the back of the neck and where the spikes will come to. Now I'm doing a large C-shaped arch which will form the wing. Here I'm sketching in the tail. Make sure to check out the description down below where I've detailed the 7 steps in how to draw this realistic dragon. I'm adding spikes to the tail to make it more scary. Don't forget to add spikes to the neck. The spikes are similar to a cartoon wave. Now we've got the general outline of the dragon, let's add some detail. I've added a curved V-shaped pattern on the chest of the dragon, as it reminds me of an armoured chestplate. Now it's time for the wrinkles and scales of the toes. With a dragon, you can really leave the design up to imagination. Play around with the patterns because after all, they are mystical creatures. Now I'm adding in scales, which is basically drawing lots of little C's or bubbles depending on the look you want. It's important to try to make scales flow in the one direction, and I find starting at the head and working down works best for me. Shading can be a bit time consuming, but taking a little bit extra time to really pay attention to the lightness and the darkness of your work makes it more realistic and pays off in the end. I'm now using a Q-tip to blend. This can really add an extra layer of depth to the drawing and smoothens out those hard edges. Sometimes you can lose some of the details in a drawing when you blend. In that case, you can come back to add more details to the bits you want to emphasize. I've added the first layer of shading, which softens the details of the dragon. So now I'm going over the details with a sharp pencil. Now I'm using a rubber to add in the light effect on the dragon. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this, make sure to check out my other videos and to like and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment down below.